The problem of removing the BMW clips on the hoses of the coolant connected to the radiator or the reservoir is the problem. The clips, it needs to apply pressure and they are very wide. Using a plier is very hard to get into it. I showed another tool that it has a flexible cable, but if you don't have that, you can use this tool here that you can find in Home Depot. It's called Irwin quick grip, and you can see how it can work on this clip. You just set in an appropriate way there and keeps and it goes holding until the point that your clip is wide open and you can remove. So to release, there is a trigger here, and the plier, the clip is already open. So let's recap again. It's open. Let's release. Right, that's it. This is another option to remove these clips.